down by the jet landed, where the pontoons bump and sway. I see the others reading standing as the Manly ferry cuts its way on the circular quay. She don't like that kind of behavior. She don't like that kind of behavior. So throw down your gun. Don't be so reckless. Throw down your guns, babe. I hear the captain blow his whistle. So long she's been away, and I miss our early morning wrestle. Not a very happy way to start the day. Yeah, she don't like that kind of behavior. Throw down your guns, babe, but don't be so reckless. Throw down your guns.